speaking of the Filipino money mindset, marami dito ay deeply influenced by our culture. And sometimes, kahit maganda ang intention, our traditions and practices do not always help us financially. Take the case of herd mentality. Ito yung kultura natin na sali na rin ako kasi lahat sila kumikita. This is very common kaya maraming Pilipino ang naluloko sa scams because when we see someone gaining quickly, we jump in without applying due diligence. At minsan pa, mas malala, sinabi lang ng magulang, ng kapatid, ng tito, ng tita, pinsan, best friend, office mate, and we immediately trust it kahit hindi natin naiintindihan yung pinapasok natin. Pero tandaan natin ito. Aralin muna. Research before you commit. And one major rule in investing. Do not invest in something you do not understand. Pero dahil sa herd mentality culture natin, we join the bandwagon without thinking of the consequences. And by the time we realize it, it's too late. Kaya mahalaga na maging intentional, maging mapanuri, at wag basta-basta sumasabay sa uso, lalo na pag pera na ang nakataya.